Good morning all of you. Today we are discussing about one of the topic and the name is chromosome. We all know that about the chromosome. Chromosome, it is one of the genetic material which is present into that of the cell. Where it is present in the cell? It is present in the nucleus. We already discussed in that of the chromosomal inheritance theory. In that of the nucleus, the chromosome is present in the form of network. Before the cell division, it is present in the form of network form, and after the cell division, it is in the form of rod shape. Like that of the structure, this chromosome is present inside the cell. Then, what is meant by chromosome? When we split the chromosome, at that time, you have to see here, chromosome. Chromo means what? Color. And zoma means what? Body. Means colored body which is present inside the cell, that is called as the chromosome. Okay. This chromosome which is discovered by one of the scientists, the name is W. Waldier, which is discovered in that 1888. Okay. Then another important thing is that this chromosome having the special characteristics, means it have capacity to that of the replication. Replication means what? Or self-replication. It have capacity to self-replication. Self-replication means it is having ability to self-replicate. Means it have responsible to formation of the identical copy to that of the chromosome. म्हणजे त्याच्यासारखी म्हणजे जसं आपण एखादा मिरर आहे, मिररमध्ये जेव्हा बघतो तर आपली इमेज त्या मिररमध्ये दिसते, तर इथे काय होत आहे, सेम कॉपी आपली मिररमध्ये आपल्याला दिसते. तशाच प्रकारे इन दॅट ऑफ क्रोमोझोम वन ऑफ द कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक इज प्रेझेंट, दॅट इज इट हॅव कॅपॅसिटी टू फॉर्म ए सेल्फ रेप्लिकेशन. ओके. देन another important thing, this chromosome, it is also responsible for the mutation, or it is also responsible for heredity. Heredity means what? That is this chromosome which is responsible for transfer of chromosome from one generation to next generation. Hereditary, that is the, we already know about the heredity. Means it is also one of the characteristic of the chromosome, that is hereditary, and one of the characteristic, that is the self replication. Okay, self replication. Then another important thing, that it is also responsible to that of the cell division. Cell division साठी सुद्धा तो responsible आहे. त्यानंतर after that cell division, hereditary, self replication, in which, that is the mutation. In the process of mutation, this chromosome is also responsible. Mutation means what? That is sudden change in the genetic material. At that time, this chromosome play important role. Then other than these characteristics, one of the important character also included, that is the evolution. Evolution means what? That is the gradually changes in a genetic material or in the human being. In the genetic material, when the changes is occur in the genetic material, so changes occur in the human being. That is gradually changes. Gradually means what? हळूहळू. म्युटेशन मीन्स व्हॉट? सडन. म्हणजे अचानकपणे जेव्हा चेंजेस होते तेव्हा तिथे म्युटेशन होईल. बट वेन ग्रॅज्युअली चेंजेस इन द ह्युमन बीइंग, दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज द इव्होल्यूशन. अँड फॉर दिस ऑल प्रोसेस, मीन्स विच प्रोसेस, फॉर विच प्रोसेस क्रोमोझोमिक रिस्पॉन्सिबल, दॅट इज फॉर द हेरिडिटरी, for the variation, for the mutation, for the evolution. Okay, for all this process, this chromosome is important. Then another important thing, when we discuss about the size of chromosome, at that time you have to see here this chromosome which is varies from species to species. What is meant by variation means what? There are the different size which is present in that of the different species. We know that is diversity means what? Most or different species are present on the earth. Okay, more than one species or different types of the species are present. For example, human being or plant system or the animal system, different animals are present on our earth. So that these different species which having the different various size which is present in that of the different species of the organism. Then what is the size of chromosome in the human being? That is the 0.1 to 33 mm in a length and 0.2 to 2 mm in a thickness. In that size, the chromosome which is present inside the human being. After the size, when we discuss about the number of chromosome, at that time you have to see here the number which is same and specific in the different organism of the human being. Means it is having same number. We know that there are total 23 pairs of chromosome which is present in our body, and total 46 chromosomes are present in our body. In the pair 23 pairs are present, and when it is in the single, when we count the single, that is the total 46 chromosomes are present in the human being. So that we are saying that it is the same or specific number which is present inside the organism or in any individual. When we discuss about the number of chromosome, at that time you have to see here one of the terminology, that is the ploidy. Ploidy means what? It is one of the constant, or it is one of the degree of repetition of chromosome number. Means when we count the chromosome number, for the particular counting of chromosome, that is ploidy which is used. Ploidy which is the constant degree of repetition number of chromosome. When we count the numbers of chromosome, at that time we have to use the ploidy, that is called as the constant degree of repetition of chromosome number. This ploidy which having different two types, that is called as the euploidy and the aneuploidy. It is divided by different two types, that is the euploidy and the aneuploidy. आता आपल्याला माहित झालं ploidy means what? That is the number of chromosome. In which euploidy means what? That is the whole set of chromosome, that is called as the euploidy. Whole set of chromosome, we know that is the 46 chromosome are present, and in which there is a whole set of chromosome called as the euploidy. The another type of the ploidy or the ploidy which is called as the aneuploidy. Aneuploidy, in that aneuploidy, the condition which having one chromosome is less, or one chromosome will be less in the whole set of chromosome, that is called as the aneuploidy. Okay, understand what is meant by euploidy? Euploidy, that is the whole set of chromosome of the organism, that is called as the euploidy. And when we have to count, that is one of the condition which seen, one of the chromosome is less than that of the whole set of chromosome, that is called as the aneuploidy. Another important thing, when this euploidy divided into that of the different three types. It is divided into three types. That is one of the type that is called as the monoploidy. Mono means what? That is a single. Mono means what? Single. Diploidy, that is 2n or double mana किंवा two numbers. Then second, polyploidy means more than two numbers, that is the polyploidy. Then when we discuss about the types of aneuploidy, in which also two types are involved of the aneuploidy, that is hypoploidy and hyperploidy. Hypo means what? Less, or it is in the minus, त्याच्यामध्ये आपण मायनस फॉर्म मध्ये आपल्याला दिसेल, हे आपण पाहणार आहोत समोर. त्याच्यानंतर hyperploidy. Okay, when the question is asked about the numbers of chromosome, at that time the ploidy which is responsible for constant degree of counting of chromosome number, it is divided into two types, that is the euploidy and aneuploidy. Euploidy which contains different three types, that is monoploidy, diploidy and the polyploidy. In that, what happened in the monoploidy, in which have to see here, that is the n number of chromosome is present. Means what? The single or haploid number of chromosome is seen. That is called as the monoploid. From that म्हणजे या टोटल होल सेट ऑफ क्रोमोसोम मधला एक जो सिंगल क्रोमोसोम आहे that is called as the monoploid. Another diploid. Diploid means what? Two chromosome or two set of chromosome. That is this one and this one. That is the two set of chromosome. That is called as the diploid. And polyploid, more than two chromosome. म्हणजे हे जर इथे एक पेयर आहे, या पेयर मध्ये परत एक क्रोमोसोम ऍड होत आहे, तर तिथे आपल्याला काय दिसणार? पॉलीप्लॉइडी. अँड दिस पॉलीप्लॉइडी विच काउंटिंग 2n or 4n or the 5n in a number. Okay, these are the types of euploidy. When we discuss about the aneuploidy which contains two types, that is the hypoploidy and the hyperploidy. When we discuss about the hypoploidy, in which this hypoploidy it again divided into two types. That is monozomy. Mono means what? Single. Mono means what? One. And in this zomy means what? It is less. म्हणजे जे टोटल नंबर आहे hypo, that is the less, and hyper which is add. Okay. When we see the monozomy, from the set of chromosome, two set of chromosome, one chromosome which is less, means हा एक set आहे chromosomeचा, it is the diploid. It is the diploid in nature, in which from these two chromosome, one of the chromosome is deleted. From two set of chromosome is 2n number, one is minus. म्हणजे आपण हा जर निघून गेला तर हा सिंगलच राहील. सो दॅट ॲट द टाइम यू हॅव टू say here that is the monozomy. And the another type of the hypoploidy, that is the nullizomy. Nullizomy means what? That is from these two set of chromosome, it is diploid in nature, whole two set which is minus or deleted, that is 2n minus 2. Whole set of chromosome which is deleted, that is called as the nullizomy. And this type, monozomy and nullizomy, which is seen into at the time of the mutation. The mutation, it is most mutation. It is one of the big topic, and in which the different types are also seen. So that these are the example, or these are the type of these monozomy and nullizomy, which is included into that of the mutation. At the time of mutation, this type of mutation which is seen monozomy and nullizomy. Okay, understand what is the monozomy and the nullizomy. When we discuss about the hyperploidy, one of the chromosome is added to that of the diploid number of chromosome. When we discuss about trizomy, this trizomy which contains 2n, it is one of the set of chromosome, and in that one of the chromosome is added, that is called as the trizomy. Means 2n, two chromosome, 1 and 2. This is the n plus n. This 2n plus one another chromosome is added, that is called as trizomy. 3 numbers of chromosome are seen, means total there are 46 chromosome is present, and in that of 46 chromosome, one of the chromosome is added, and at that time it having to that of the 47 in a number. 46 मध्ये एक ऍड केला तर काय दिसेल आपल्याला? 47. But when this having 47 in a number, one of the syndrome or one of the disorder syndrome which is seen, that is the Down syndrome. Down syndrome. This Down syndrome which is seen on the 21 number of chromosome, means in the normal set of chromosome, in the 46 chromosome, one of the 21 number of chromosome is added. म्हणजे जो 21 नंबरचा क्रोमोझोम आहे तो आपल्याला डबल दिसेल, एक क्रोमोझोम त्याच्यामध्ये ऍड होताना दिसेल. दिस टाइप ऑफ क्रोमोझोम, at that time, at this condition, this trisomy is seen, and in which due to this trisomy one of the syndrome is seen, that is the Down syndrome. Another, that is the tetrazomy, in which this tetrazomy means what? That is 2n plus 2 condition, means 2n, that is one of the chromosome and it is one of the chromosome. This is the diploid in the nature, means 2n plus one of the set of chromosome is added, that is two chromosome which is added into that of the one set of chromosome, that is called as the tetrazomy. टेट्रा मीन्स व्हाट 4, 1 2 3 4, म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये काय होत आहे, हायपरप्लॉइडी मध्ये द क्रोमोझोम विच इज ॲडेड अँड हायपोप्लॉइडी द क्रोमोझोम विल बी डिलीटेड अँड दिस टाइप ऑफ द टाइप्स ऑफ द chromosome or these types of mutation at the time of mutation, these types of ploidy which is C. Okay, thank you.